Hi, my name is Sabina Dhungana and my student ID is 200629. I'm from group 4. I'm going to talk about normalization from database management system. In normalization part, we finalize all the entities and relationship that has the optimal normal form and going to be finalize all the optimal normal form in third normal form, and this part will provide all the normalized schemas and the level of normalization for each of the relations. And the goal of this part is to solve all the entities and attributes in third normal form. These are the list of entities and attributes from the ERD diagram from part A, according to the scenario given in the question in part 3A3. In first normal form, this form reduce the redundancy from the relations, and each of the table contains single value with primary key and the um, identified it uniquely, and also primary keys are underlined, which is compulsory for this part. AMC stores has got two tables in first normal form, which is store and location, and store ID is primary key here with underlined, and name, phone number, email address, fax number goes to store. Second one is location with the postcode primary key, street number, suburbs and states are its attributes. Now we are creating the another table for composite attributes, the customer order and payslip. In customer table, customer ID is the primary key, first name, last name, phone number, addresses are the attributes. For order number is the primary key, and customer ID and product ID came from the another table, became foreign key here. For payslip number is primary key, store ID is the foreign key here. Working hours, gross pay, employee first name, last name, salary, employee type, designation, phone numbers are the attributes. Also employee ID is foreign key here. Also we have made department, supplier, product, inventory and employee table from the diagram, where in department ID is the PK, primary key, department name, phone number and email are the attributes. In supplier, some supply ID is the primary key, phone number and name are attributes. In product number is primary key, rest are attributes. In inventory, store ID and product number are foreign key, and supply ID is primary key. Same like that in employee ID is primary key, rest are the attributes. So yeah, if first normal form is not satisfied, we go to second normal form. This table, in this table we convert first normal form to second normal form to make it satisfied, and if we don't get satisfied from this, we go to third normal form and make everything satisfied there. So in this one, we examine the table. Some of the attributes and are not fully dependent on the PK in some of the table in first normal form. So foreign keys is used to eliminate functional dependency from the payslip table by adding AMC store and employee primary keys as foreign key in payslip table, which we are going to see in the table down. So in second normal form, we have got customer, payslip, AMC store and locations. Customer in payslip number is the Primary key and employee ID is the foreign key, rest are attributes. In customer ID is primary key, rest are attributes. In third normal form, I have described that the in location table we add primary key of the AMC store table so that we can address or access the address of the store, and add the employee table primary key in it so that we can access the information of the store manager. This is according to the scenario given in the question. So in AMC store ID is primary key, employee ID is foreign key, rest are the uh, attributes found from the diagram, ERD diagram. Look, in location, store ID is became foreign key, and then postcode is the primary key. So here in inventory, store ID is primary key, product number is foreign key, and supply ID is foreign key. In department, employee ID is foreign key, and store ID is foreign key. Department ID is primary key, rest are the attributes. In employee ID is the primary key, rest are the attributes and the relation from the table above. In product number is the primary key, and store ID is the foreign key, rest are the attributes. In supply ID is primary key, rest are attributes. Also in product supply ID is foreign key, product number is foreign key, supply ID is foreign key, rest are attributes. And we add the primary key to the primary key of the product table to the identify the which product customers has order. So order and order product, two tables we have found, and order number is the primary key here, customer ID is foreign key, and customer ID foreign key in product table, order product table, and product number is also foreign key here. So now in this, from these tables, the referential integrity is granted and there is no functional dependency in these tables. So by the time we reach in third normal form, we have solved everything. To convert third normal form, to convert table into third normal form, this should be in second normal form that we have done before. And in third normal form, we check the transitive functional dependencies, which is when an attribute indirectly depends on the other attributes. Like an example I have given here, A is greater than B and B is greater than C, where C is the transitively dependent on A. So in third normal form, there should be no transitive functional dependencies, which we have done here, and there is no transitive dependency, so the table is uniquely identified and redundancy free. Thank you so much.